Want your Wix site to rank on mobile? Here's a 60-second mobile SEO checklist. Open the Wix mobile editor and preview every page in mobile view. Edit meta titles and descriptions for each mobile page. Make them concise and compelling. Add JSON LD structured data for articles, products, or local business using site code snippets. Generate and locate your sitemap.xml in Wix, then submit it to Google Search Console. Optimize mobile page speed. Enable performance settings and run a quick speed test. Compress images and serve responsive formats like WebP to cut load times. Use properly sized images and set explicit width and height for every mobile image. Implement 301 redirects for moved URLs and fix any broken links on mobile. Validate mobile usability and structured data in Search Console, then resolve flagged issues. Recrawl after changes, monitor core web vitals, and track mobile ranking improvements. Do these steps weekly and watch your mobile traffic grow. Download the checklist to get started.